So out in the field, the pilot's going to see a screen on this mobile app looking like this. So let's have a look at, let's say we're going to do a new flight on the field, and here's a list of approved jobs. So I'm going to pick that approved job just to show you that it'll come up with the same data as before. I'm going to continue anyway on this because I don't have my location settings on this computer for obvious reasons. So here's where I'm going to fly. Can even do a satellite view if I want it. Here's the airspace stack, all the information I want. If I need the frequency, I can still go down here and get the frequency from the list here. So I've got everything I need as a pilot to work on the field, even a bit of a weather prediction for today. I then got my airframe already pre-checked for me, and it looks like I've got to put on a battery on this one, so I'll just do that just for fun. And now I've got my pre-flight checklist. So these are the checklists that we created on the job. So yes and yes, ready to go. And then from then on, you can either use a timer, you can upload a log file, or choose to upload a log file later. We're going to say upload it later, and that completes our job. The job was successful, no problems, the airframe is still airworthy, and that's it. That's the job set up on my mobile device.